Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel. So if you are preparing for the CA Inter Advanced Accounting exam, you are at the right place. Today I have got something that will make your last minute preparation super effective. That is a 3.5-day revision plan for 8th January, 9th January, 10th January and the morning of 11th January. With this plan, you will cover all the important topics strategically without feeling overwhelmed. So grab your notebook and a pen and let's get started with the plan that's going to set you up for success. Also, if you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So here I have the syllabus of advanced accounting. So totally there are 15 chapters in the subject and this has been divided into 3 sections. So based on your section wise weightage, section 1 carries the highest weightage, that is 55% to 65% weightage. And mainly the chapters under this are accounting standards. Then you have section 2. This comprises of 30% to 35% weightage. And the chapters under this are financial statement of companies, buyback of securities, and accounting for reconstruction of companies. And then you have section 3, which comprises of 5% to 10% weightage. And the chapter under this is accounting for branches including foreign branches. So in this 3.5 days revision plan, you will first start with the section with highest weightage. That is, first you will start revising with the accounting standards. So let's go and decode your hourly study plan. So as we go ahead in this video, I request you all to pause the video at relevant places and note down this study plan. So you will be starting the revision for advanced accounting from 8th January. So first you will start your revision with the chapter 1, Introduction to Accounting Standards. And the time for this is 6 am to 7 am. So by revision I here mean you will be revising the study material. And we have separate slots for previous year paper, revision test paper and mock test paper, which we'll be seeing later on. So next you will revise chapter 2, Framework for Preparation and Presentation of Financial Statement. And the time for this is 7 am to 8:30 am. Next you have chapter 3, Applicability of Accounting Standards. And the time for this is 9 am to 10 am. Go through each and every illustration from your study material. Earlier when you were studying, if you have made any notes or if you have highlighted any important points or important adjustments, go through those as well. Next you will start with revising chapter number 4, Presentation and Disclosure Based Accounting Standards. So this chapter has 7 units. So first you will revise unit 1, Accounting Standard 1, Disclosure of Accounting Policy. And the duration for this is 10 am to 10:30 am. Next you have unit 2, AS3 Cash Flow Statement. The slot for this is 10:30 am to 11 am. Next you will revise unit 3, AS17 Segment Reporting. The revision slot for this will be 11 am to 12 pm. Next you have unit 4, AS18 Related Party Disclosures. The revision slot for this is 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Next you have Unit 5, AS20 earning per share. The revision slot for this is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Unit number 6, AS24 discontinuing operation. The revision slot for this will be from 2:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. Unit number 7, AS25 interim financial reporting. The revision slot for this is 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Next you will start revising chapter number 5, asset based accounting standard. This also has 7 units. Unit 1, AS2 valuation of inventory. The revision slot for this is 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Unit 2, AS10 property, plant and equipment. The revision slot for this will be 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Unit 3, AS13 accounting for investments. The revision slot for this will be 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Unit 4, AS16 borrowing cost. The revision slot for this will be 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Unit 5, AS19 leases. And the revision slot for this is 9:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Then Unit 6, AS26 intangible assets. The revision slot for this is 11 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. With this you will come to the end of the 8th January revision. So I hope you have noted down the study plan till here. Now let's see what is there in the study plan for 9th January. So 9th January you will start by revising the last unit of chapter 5. That is Unit 7, AS28 impairment of assets. The revision time for this will be from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. So even on exam days also it is very important to catch up on adequate hours of sleep. At least 5 to 6 hours of sleep you must take even on exam days. Because sometimes in the question paper the questions are tricky. If your mind is fresh and calm, only then you will be able to attempt those tricky questions. Hence it is advised to catch up on at least 5-6 hours of sleep even during your exam days. Next we have chapter number 6. There are 2 units in this. So unit number 1, AS15 employee benefits. The estimated time for this will be from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Unit 2, AS29 provisions, contingent liability and contingent assets. The revision slot for this is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So next you have chapter number 7, accounting standards based on items impacting the financial statements. There are 4 units in this. Unit 1 AS4 Contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. The revision slot for this will be 12 pm to 12:30 pm. Unit 2 AS5 Net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policies. The revision slot for this is 12:30 pm to 1 pm. Next you have Unit 3 AS11 The effects of changes in foreign exchange rates. The revision slot for this is 1:30 pm to 3 pm. Unit 4 AS22 Accounting for taxes on income. The revision slot for this is 3 pm to 4 pm. For all the chapters, go through all the illustrations and case scenario based questions from your study material, and also go through the MCQ booklet as well. Next we have chapter number 8 Revenue Based Accounting Standard. This has 2 units. Unit 1 AS7 Construction Contracts. The revision slot for this is 4 pm to 5 pm. Unit 2 AS9 Revenue Recognition. The revision slot for this is 5 pm to 6 pm. Next, you will be revising chapter number 9, Other Accounting Standards. This also has 2 units. Unit 1 AS12, Accounting for Government Grants. The revision slot for this is 6 pm to 6:30 pm. Unit 2 AS14, Accounting for Amalgamation. And the revision slot for this will be 6:30 pm to 7:30 pm. Next, you will revise chapter number 10, Accounting Standards for Consolidated Financial Statements. This has 3 units. Unit number 1, AS21 Consolidated Financial Statement. The revision slot for this will be 8 pm to 11 pm. Next, you have Unit 2, AS23, Accounting for Investment in Associates in Consolidated Financial Statements. The revision slot for this will be 11 pm to 12 am. With this, you will come to end of the 9 January revision plan. Now continuing with your revision for 10th January. On 10th January, you will begin by revising the last unit of this consolidation chapter. Unit 3, AS27, Financial Reporting of Interest in Joint Ventures. The revision slot for this will be 7 am to 8:30 am. I hope you all have noted down the plan till here. Next we have chapter number 11, Financial Statements of Companies. This also has 2 units. Unit 1, Preparation of Financial Statements. The revision slot for this will be 9 am to 12 pm. Unit 2, Cash Flow Statement. The revision slot for this will be 12 pm to 2 pm. So this financial statement of companies, buyback of security and accounting for reconstruction of company. This is your section 2. So next you will revise chapter number 12, buyback of securities. The revision slot for this will be 2:30 pm to 4 p.m. Next is chapter number 13, Amalgamation of Companies. The revision slot for this is 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Next we have chapter number 14, Accounting for Reconstruction of Companies. The revision slot for this will be 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Now we have only one chapter left, that is section 3, Accounting for Branches including Foreign Branches. This you will revise from 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. So this brings us to the end of revision for 10th January. Next we will see how we can strategically plan your revision for 11th January morning, that is on the day of your exam. So here for the chapter 11, Financial Statement of Company, there is an annexure, that is Schedule 3 to the Companies Act. So on 11 January morning, first you will be revising this because all the financial statement has to be presented in the exam as per this Schedule 3. So on 11 January morning from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. you will go through this annexure. Next from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. you will revise the previous exam papers. Then from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. you will revise the revision test papers and mock test papers. Also, if you have any important notes or any formulas or any formats if you have written down, you can go through those as well. Sometimes in the exam the questions might be similar to those in the revision test papers and mock test papers. That's why we have kept this in the end for revising. Just before you leave for the exam, you will be revising this annexure, previous exam paper and the RTP and MTP. And that wraps up your 3.5-day revision plan for the CA Inter Advanced Accounting. With this structured approach, you will feel confident and well prepared to ace the exam. Remember, consistency and focus are the key during these final days. If you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comments below. Also, if this video added value to your preparation, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also preparing for the exam. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for more tips, strategies and motivation. All the very best for your exam. Stay positive, stay focused, and as always, happy studying. See you all in the next video.